be in class?
Yeah, I should be.
You want to come work with me?
Sure. What's next?
Hey, so we're trying to fix this outdoor light here. It runs on an automatic timer that turns on whenever the sun goes down. So it's harder to fix than your average light bulb. All right, so this is an electrical tester. We use it to check the wires to see if the electricity is running or not, and so I don't get electrocuted. So as you can see here, this has no electrical current. If it did, it would turn red, but we're still green. So we're not getting any power to our light bulb. So I think it's time to call a real electrician. Now we're gonna go vacuum the cafeteria. Let's go. It's a good way to learn people's names. Now we drop our packages over here. Some teachers pick them up right away, some like to wait a couple months. That was fun. See you next time.
See you next time.